The National Orientation Agency NOA says campaign against fuel scooping is yielding positive results as it takes feedback to government and other stakeholders for immediate action. Kenneth Nanim reports that the agency is urging relevant authorities to prioritize the concerns being raised.
Incidents of overturned articulated vehicles, especially tankers loaded with petroleum products, were frequently being experienced in parts of the country. When this happens, some citizens, out of ignorance or greed, throw caution to the wind, are moving to scoop the product or to loot the goods, as the case may be. Unfortunately, the overturned petrol tankers usually get exploded, most times causing loss of lives and property. As worrisome as the situation was becoming, President Bola Tinubu gave the National Orientation Agency a fresh mandate for an intensive reorientation campaign. Having been in the field to ensure the message gets to the target audience, National Orientation Agency now has feedback.
The nature of the roads, what have we done with this feedback? We're sending it back to Ministry of Works. So we're saying prioritize this type of areas. Do you understand? So that the challenge of bad roads leading to tankers toppling over will be significantly reduced.
The need to urgently establish tanker farms across the country is one of the needs the agency is pointing to that must be met.
Which brings up the issue that state governments should pay attention to creating tank parks, and make those tank parks conducive. We have also found out that in some states where those are provided, the necessary facilities are not in place, and then the place is not even large enough to accommodate the number of tankers that transit through that place and must need a place to park overnight, and all of that.
Drugs and other substance abuse amongst drivers of articulated vehicles, the agency also pointed to as a challenge that must be put on constant check.
Which means that NDLEA, in its checking that it does along the road, should be more vigilant, about this nature of drivers, conduct drug tests, on them.
Part of the findings also reveal that some citizens are yet to understand that these petroleum products that spill or other goods that are being wasted are other citizens' investments that should be protected. They should show empathy and concern instead of going to loot, scoop, or pack the product as if they are free for all. Kenneth Nanim, NTA News.